welcome back, my peeps. So I'm gonna make a cupcake. It's not like a conventional type cupcake, but I saw these Easter eggs, right? And it had I think it had butterflies, ladybugs, and something else, but it had these bees in there. And I was like, I just took it apart, and I'm just gonna I want to make a cupcake with it. Okay, so I'm not gonna use any spackle or anything like that. I have this cake cup, and I put a expanding foam in there, and that's what's in there, and that's what I'm gonna use. Okay, so we'll see if you guys like it, or it's just something different. My mind is always going, and I thought it would be cute. I did make one already in advance, but you guys can see it in the end. Okay, so I got, alright, so you want a cookie cutter that kind of fits right to the edge, because you want it to cover this whole part right here. Okay, so make sure that your cookie cutter, it fits on like right there to the edge. Okay, so I'm using this Play-Doh clay. Now if you want, you could even like stretch it out a little bit just to be sure that you get it to the edge. Okay, it doesn't matter if you leave marks on it or anything like that, because we're gonna put texture on it. Okay, so this, like I said, there's no spackle involved, so you're gonna put a little bit of this is tacky glue. You want to cover this, since this is dry, you want to make sure you cover it good, because you want the clay to stick. So make sure you get to the edges too, all the way to the edge, and also do a little bit of the cupcake liner. Okay, so what y'all guys been up to? Have y'all been liking the bee things that I've been making? Like, I try to stay in theme for a while, for a couple. I know some people, some creators, they jump around, they do this and they do that, then they come back to this, and I can't do that, because I got issues. I gotta kind of stick to one theme until think I'm done with it, and then I'll move on. So you're not gonna see me jumping around themes. Like I've seen people doing Easter, then they went and they did St. Patrick's, then they went back to Easter, then they went and they did honeybees, and then they went, and I can't, because I just like to make a theme, so you guys can just, if you wanted to make a tier tray of just bee stuff, well, then you have enough bee stuff, options to do a bee theme. Because then you would have to go look through all my videos and try to find what I did. Okay, so now you're gonna take oh Lord, here we go. Y'all, you know it gotta happen, right? What do you call it? A tweezer. Oh my goodness. And you're just gonna pluck this grass, And you're gonna, well, the clay to make it look like grass. Because we, like I said, we're not gonna use spackle or anything like that. Because I didn't want to. Kind of wanted it to be something that you could do with the grandkids. Or anybody could do it, you know, with minimal supplies. You don't have to use a cake cup like this. You could use a cupcake. I'm just using the cake cup because since I already made the, since I already filled it up with the expanding foam, I figure I might as well use it. And I got these cake cups from Home Goods. And I was shocked that I found them because I never find anything good. Like when I go looking for stuff, I don't usually find. I want some ladybug ones too, but I didn't see those. So you just keep plucking until you get like that grassy texture. You're going to pluck all the way around. And then you're going to come back and pluck in some of those areas that you didn't get. This is an easy way to make grass. Just takes time because, you gotta go around the whole thing. But now, you can have you can tap it down. If it's too high for you, just go on in and tap it down a little bit. And if you feel like you need some more texture, just go in there and get some more texture. And tap it down. Now make sure that when you finish that the line of your cupcake liner is to the back. You don't want me, because I gotta check because I do stuff and then after I'm like, what? I did it on backwards. So now I really try to be on top of this because I don't want to mess it up. Okay, so my thing is on the back. Now I'm going to take my bee and I'm just going to put it on here. Like this. Like that, right? I'm going to make the indentation, but then I'm going to pick it up. And I'm going to put some glue. I'm going to just outline where the bee is and make sure that it's not going to come off. Then I'm just going to push it back and I'm going to push it down. Make sure you don't see none of the edges because this is the top part of your bee. So now I'm going to take a little bit more clay, just like a little bit, and I'm going to like roll it. And I'm going to put it around my bee. Hope this is enough. And I'm going to start in the back. And I'm just going to go around. And it's not enough. Not surprised. But I kind of want it to be so my bee looks like it's really deep in the grass. So I'm going to just roll out a little bit more. I'm just going to make sure that these touch. And I'm going to go around it again. And cut off what I don't need. And then I'm going to come. Make sure that is pressed into your, onto the other clay and the glue that's there. And then you're going to pluck it some more. And you're just going to make it become part of what's already there, okay? You don't even have to pluck it. You can just stab it up like that. You just want it to be part of the, because we don't want to see that edge, the you know, when you open the egg, it has like that lip. We don't want to see that. So that's the reason why I put the extra clay. I don't want to see that part. So go to, I got the egg from, did I say I got the egg from Dollar Tree? Yeah, I got the egg from Dollar Tree. Okay, see? So he looked like he's just in the grass. Now you want to, you could pluck it some more. Oh, not that part. I'm talking about this part over here. If you want to pluck it, you can pluck it some more. All right, so then I know it looks a little plain, so I got a flower and I'm gonna put a little ladybug on there. So I'm gonna just get my tacky glue and I'm gonna put a flower on here. And I'm just gonna put it like right there, like that. And then I'm gonna put the ladybug just over here on the side. And that's it. That's gonna be our cupcake. And I made, like I said, I made one before. So now we have 2 cupcakes. You see, this is how it looks. It's just something simple, something different. And I don't know, I just, when I saw these little Easter eggs, I was like, I have to do something with these. So I kept it simple, but I just wanted to do something different and add to my bee theme. So that's what we got, guys. That was pretty simple and quick. And you can do it with the grandkids, your kids. It'd be a cute little Easter craft when the kids are home on break. And I don't know, I thought it was cute and I like it. I hope you like it too. Again, this is what they look like. If you put them down like this, you see these? Just 2 little bees. So I hope you like them, guys. Don't forget to leave a comment, a like, an emoji, anything. Just to let me know what you think about these. And also to help me with my algorithm. And guys, I'm going to continue doing shorts and all that good stuff as long as I can. It's a lot of work trying to put up a tutorial every day, but I really need to, what's the word I'm looking for? Commit myself to, you know, doing this content creations. And hopefully one day I could retire from my job because this is what I love to do. Real life work is not what I love to do. So you guys help me retire. But anyway, guys, I hope you like these cupcakes. I hope you go out and get these from Dollar Tree. Like I said, it comes with other little insects, ladybugs, and so forth and so on. And I hope you go get you some and make you some. And tag me if you do. If you're on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, any of those, I would love to see your project. Okay? So until the next until the next time, stay safe, stay healthy, keep crafting. I'll talk to you soon. God bless you guys. Bye.